Yo, easy. This is how we're gonna do it. Yeah, hey.
Promise me something,
I promise, if you got it and I want it, I will rob it. I will never say sorry, cause I'm on it like, whoa, you know. And I ain't talk about your valuables, nah, it's the position of the chart. If you listen to my heart, it's all about the beats.
for real?
Well, I guess that goes for anybody. But it's time for a change, and my gut's gonna show me the way. Like a Teletubby, anybody ready for me? Come on, put your hands up. I can do this with both hands in handcuffs. I mean, I ain't even gotta try hard. This is pretty much off the dome. Dandruff, head and shoulders above any opposers. Nowadays I send more shots than soldiers. Yeah, sit down on the throne. Now I'm trying to make it up hosters. You know this is like the cold shit. So owning it, I should be coaching it. The motive is to get loads of shit. House, money, the coldest whip. Oh yeah, I've got to go there. Straight to the top, I got like no fear. And I swear, I got more style than the city needs. Them man have got to go spare. But it's cool, I'll give you a call if it's game time and I ain't even ready to ball. Yeah, as if I'ma do that. Cause if you ask me, they ain't even ready at all. Man, I'm an alien, allow my face with a look out of place and out of space. Real talk, nigga, put me on Mars or something with Martians, and I swear I'll shut down the place, man. So why the hell I'm on this earth for? Time to take over the world, no turf war. Shouldn't have to fight for it, cause I ain't heard more better than me. I'm like legendary, yeah. But there's still me in there, got to get it. You can catch me on a wave like a copter jet, or in the sky, nigga, I'm so fly and I'm nowhere reaching my prime. Optimus.